Yeah, me as my friend Pastor Don was a nice boy, the continent boss, and I represent Kingmixup. Baddest when it come on to entertainment news. Don't miss a beat. Make sure you stay tuned.
Boom, viewers, welcome back. You don't know the thing set. Bless. TGIF. And no stress. Nah, people, what up? You don't know the thing set. Big up Nigeria. You see my people, but let's just get straight into things. And I'm named because the fans them must say Stefflon Don is back at it again. This in Jada Kingdom. Yeah, I can't believe what we're seeing. You know what I mean? But let me break it down to you because she might not actually be this in Jada Kingdom, but this is all about marketing, people. You see what I'm saying? She have to sell her music, so she might not be this in Jada Kingdom, but given her fans is thinking out there, they're automatically gonna think she's this in Jada Kingdom. As you can see in her comment section, everybody said why Steph stays throwing shades at Jada Kingdom, and when Jada Kingdom forward, she's talking about lawsuits and defamation of character and all of these lies and all of these things with her son watching. You see my people. But can somebody put in the comment section why Punny is always on Stefflon Don's mind? You see my say because she says she don't pop pum pum meaning sell him. You know, she pop tags and all of these things, and gal who do that can never talk to her. But obviously Stefflon Don pum pum is a problem. Yes, it's not holding no man. It's a people because this is a successful woman and yet still she's lowering her standards. This is what I say, talking about lowering standards. Looking at the comment section, Mrs. Dali that used to sell punny, according to them, yeah, when they get in the heat of the argument with Nick Chromas, you know, them sell punny as sell and all of these stuff. You see me, I said, boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, people putting out a comment section where anything about that. You know what I mean? If I was an artist, I wouldn't be dissing no female because, you know, these self-punny girls is buying your music. Feel what I'm saying? They're going to your concerts, your site. You know what I mean? But me just giving that update while I go on from that to go on because I also have an issue with Stefflon Don not claiming her Trini roots. As you can see, this is her Trinidadian grandmother. You see me saying you can see her mother saying her people is from Trinidad. You see it, so and maybe somebody from the UK can put in the comment section and let me know, is being a Trinidadian a bad thing? You feel me? Because I got a lot of Trinidadian friends in America and they rep their flags to the fullest. You see me say. But we notice that she never liked to put up the Trinidad flag, but she always put up, you know, Jamaican flag and, you know, Nigerian flag, you feel me? And you obviously the British flag. You see me I say, what happened to the Trinidad flag? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, this American Dali is coming under heavy fire for calling her experience in Jamaica ghetto. You see me I say? We're talking about the rafting men. You know what I mean? Yeah, so let's take a look and then we'll comment and see what I have to say.
Oh, God!
Hey, baby,
This ghetto! God right here! Y'all need to, y'all doing too fucking much! I want my money back.
Yeah, man, you okay, baby. That guy I just clown, baby. You're good, baby. Baby, that guy just wanna feel like he wanna have your chip. Don't. Why you doing, baby?
Why they being like this?
You can't. Why you, baby? Erase that. Why you have to put me in bigger here, guys? Why?
Y'all, they is in Jamaica being so ghetto. Like, baby, y'all didn't tell me y'all brought me to the ghetto. could have left me in Atlanta with this.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. You know, I get to no matter where you're going in the world. You see my ass there. So I don't know why some ghetto people want to act brand newish and some ghetto people. And you know, the ghettos in Jamaica is definitely different from the ghettos in America. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, just want to give you a quick update on this asylum business when it comes to Jamaicans. You see what I say? And the people in the Caribbean, you know what I mean? Because, you know, Biden is changing the law. Yes. He wants to make it harder for people to come into the United States of America. You see what I'm saying? We're talking about people that's involved in, you know, unthinkable type of crimes in a them homeland. You see me, I say, and you know this type of law is going to affect brown people, you know what I mean, and black people. You see it, so you know some people, you know, is fighting it and all of this stuff, but you know this law that Biden is making, you know, if Trump comes into office, you know he's gonna pass it. You know what I mean? Because he wants to deport like 200 million immigrants and all of these things. You see me? But in the case of Ivani, you know, I don't think those charges she have is ground for deportation. I mean, people is getting deported for driving tickets and all of this stuff. So, you know, it's really up to the judge or, you know, whoever is doing the okay, you know what I mean? But like I said, you know, the state is willing to, you know, I not drop the charges, but, you know what I mean? It's not, you know, jail time charges, you feel me? So she can get through with that thing. You see me, I say, it's definitely a good look. The judge didn't, you know, grant his wish for expediting, you know, him getting temporary custody and all of this stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm have to go wait the long process, so, you know what I mean? She's not an unfit mom, you know what I'm saying? So at this time, you see me? Yeah. Okay, people, it look like dancehall artist Shaneil broke up with Ugly Man, her fiance. You see me, I say. I know me say it, the people them say him look so. You know what I mean? But you know, homegirl, they come out and defend thing what there, you know, but from what there, she's been dropping subs, you know, saying, you know, homeboy, well, a loved one close to her is stealing her money. You know what I mean? We're not talking about the manager, we're talking about millions of dollars, you feel me? I would say I throw a word saying, you know, people couldn't tell us I saw single life did nice. You said. And you know she's been going live with Violent because them have a song out together, but this can be a form of therapy. And them are talking about good woman and bad man when it comes to relationships.
You just have to accept some. You're not gonna change same time, you know. We still are there. You same thing, you know, but we accept. Remember, love blind, you know. Love blind, you know. You know, so when you left somebody, I didn't answer. When me take up, you get what me I say? Or you still, Jesus, you freeze? You get what me I say, though? You get what me I say, though?
Me just not agree with that line the way I always I say. No good woman and no good man of them. Me not agree with that. Point blank period.
I for real, man. Me see people in myself for real. But I for
No,
real.
because me think that you're trying to associate good and perfect hand in hand, and that's not it.
No, that's not what I'm doing. That's not what
So
I'm
how
doing.
can you say there's no good man and no good woman out there?
There's not.
Me not agree with that.
There's never.
But you say
Ask
there's no
anybody else.
perfect man,
Somebody.
there's no perfect man and there's no perfect woman, but there cannot be no good woman and no good woman in the world. Like that don't make no sense.
Why? All right. The word good. What context are we're using it in relationship wise? You know, relationship wise, we use the word good in. You know.
For me,
You get
when
every,
either party
that means to them though
do them
fucking good.
best to try to make a relationship
You
work
never know
and
that.
refuses, or restrains themselves from doing certain
But
things.
understand what I say. But that's what I'm saying. Seeing their imperfections perfect. That's what I'm saying.
But you still have to say that and then you say no good woman and no good man.
But they're not.
They're not perfect, but
No.
so then bad then.
It would be. It's like the same thing when I say about. Oh, it's like.
No, if when me I grew up in a
But you want to
school,
put me now, you
me
know. This
learn
because you
the
can talk
opposite.
certain things.
Learn the opposite of a word. So if you know good, you have your bad. So them bad then.
Alright. Me, everybody, me
If you
not
know
really good.
good, you
Wait, no,
have
me,
your
me, let me
bad.
say
So
something.
them
Me
bad
not really.
then.
You see, that's why I'm right, you know. Because I'm not really good for talk certain things and explain it. So when I write it,
Miss,
I'm
answer
sorry
the
if I couldn't
question.
write what
Answer
me
the
I say.
question.
No, me no want.
Answer the question.
Alright, ask me
Answer the
something.
question. So you
Ask me.
say you no good. So if you no good, you bad.
Yeah.
So a bad girl you like then. But then us
Huh?
bad.
450 say, a bad girl like.
That's why the heart always a get broke.
Who for art
Cause
that?
we want bad. Cause we want bad girl and we can't anger bad girl.
Who can angle bad girl?
We no cannot anger bad
Uno.
girl.
Come in here, Uno, you know. Be sure me not here, Uno. That same you, they can manage bad girl.
Uno can't manage bad girl when you get bad girl.
What,
And then
what?
you know walk. Well, I know. You know want good woman, you know want bad woman, and then when you get bad woman, you know walk and chat all these things about the bad woman, them and
What
them
kind
bad
of,
qualities, and
what
and
kind of
them
man
bad
that?
qualities,
So it's
deal,
like you're
and
trying
then you
to,
have this thing about woman, this
which man
stereotype,
that? Which
this
man that?
this stereotype about woman when a bad woman you know like and you accept
Stereo. You have to break down that word there. Stereotype. What that?
stereotype.
What's that?
So basically, it's something that you associate. Like it could be anything that you're describing, I associate it with one particular thing, but it goes on for like eternally. Like I don't just
Oh,
always
when they
just
use
think
them
that
big
is
word,
it.
they last me just to cry. But all me have to tell you is, you can't say the man them so after them get the bad girl and the bad girl style them. And every man stays so. The type of man where the bad girl they get. You get what I mean? So, and every man stays so. And every man stays so.
What?
And every man stays so.
Every man say, oh.
You just say, yo, after I get the bad girl and like she hurt him, he might go so and say this and that. No, and every man stays so.
No, no, you're not hear what I'm saying, no.
What you
I say,
say?
when you associate or get to yourself a bad woman, because you say no woman, not good woman, it's a bad woman you talk about. So when you get a bad woman, obviously for the woman to be bad, she have to have certain qualities that are bad. So when you not see them the quality there where a bad woman have, then you not have the wrong impression of women in general. Because you not associating yourself with bad quality women. So
So
the
you
things
think
you
that
know,
because the title
good
of a woman say,
woman not out
because
there.
say you're confused the whole thing. I'm feel like say for the two biggest problem are communication. Because you not agree with me and
Whose
me not agree.
problem is communication?
We listen what me I said. The title using bad girl no means that the girl have bad qualities, you know. That's just a title, you know.
That's what
Yeah,
I talk about.
here we go on. It make me
How
look
is
like
it?
me dumb, you
No,
know.
how is it
No,
just
me not look dumb. Me not gonna look dumb by the media. Not because me say done. Because nobody feel like be an idiot. Nobody feel
Yes.
like be an idiot.
So when I say bad girl, what you mean?
It's just it's a terminology, right? It's just a terminology for the type of character you want from a female. Not being
And what
bad
are
saying
those?
like
Describe those characters, Valley.
sexually, knows how to defend her man and know how to be bit militant. That's my definition of a bad girl. You don't come. Let me tell you my definition, like fully. I don't like girl with talkative, like up in the media. That's my thing. I don't like girl in the media.
Wait, hold on. Let me write it down.
I don't like girl in a spotlight. What else?
Well, I don't take time, no?
I don't like girl with too loud. I don't like soft girl. I like girl with freaky. What else? I like girl with what you call it now? What have ambition and have them head on them body, know what them want. I like the boss type girl. I like the follow back girl them. What else? Um, you know, enough more qualities, but you get me. That are my type of bad girl. That are my bad girl.
Alright.
Yeah,
You like girl wanna vulgar?
yeah.
You like girl wanna in the media? You like girl with too loud? You like girl with
Yeah,
too
that's
soft?
if you can cook, you know.
Chef?
Yeah.
What else?
And if respectable. Me no need that. Me not should if you can love me, but respectable. Respect. The most important thing, respect.
Yes. All right. So so let me tell you why you like. Me can assume this is my assumption. First of all, this based on the things that you're saying, it shows the type of person you are as well, based on the things that you might like in a woman, right?
Yeah.
So you don't want you vulgar. That's understandable. You don't want you in the media because you want when you're bad, woman.
What you talking about? Me a loyal man, you know. So I know why you come talk about me bad.
You hear what I say? You don't want you too loud, and you don't want you in the media. So when you go bad, you can keep it thing for that
No,
door.
meaning not you know what I mean, like being like somebody known or whatever like that. Not saying that
Same
she can't have.
difference. Same
No,
difference. Same
it's no,
difference.
it's not a deal. Yeah, all
Same
right.
difference. You want it? Yeah, that's a fair business, but that expire. You want it? Ambitious.
Mm.
I say things you can get all of them quality and so you just look on this and say, okay, this is a bad girl. She might know for
No,
defend herself.
you
Know
know,
if
say I
defend
got
herself
you
and love
turn around do everything when me say. Me say that I might, it a bad girl as in she have bad qualities, but me I say no, that them they are the qualities you can tie hard. You can title a place and say these parties, but when you go in there, are some different thing are selling there. You know? If you get what me I say, and the taste is, you know. Some of us say, oh, bad, that are my type of bad girl, what me like, what me want, that my qualities.
So this is a person that you like to be a model for your child?
Huh?
You well and Ross here, what me just say about you look.
A model,
You,
a
you
me
have
suppose.
you have kids, right?
Yes, I have
Okay.
a son.
Okay, so when you think about your choices that you make in life, you think obviously you think about your child as well.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the qualities that you would like to see your woman with, and is this something that is a model for your child?
His mother is a model for him already. She's
Yeah, but okay, so all right, so we're saying that this is just a little thing then, and I don't know where you're serious with then. I know that you just want a little woman there for your side
no, Shani,
when it
you
can
have to
be.
stop everything what me I say. But just say that
No, me
these
I just
are but
everything
just
where I say.
explain. Then you gonna bring up my son with qualities. What fear? What?
Yeah, because so you know
So now,
have to think about that.
me know what you want me say now. I mean, not gonna say it, you know.
What what
Just,
me put on why you say
you
what you
want me
mean?
say these are good quality? No, me not say it.
But I know good quality them
What
here.
is good? What? So what kind of quality them know?
No, because first of all, freakiness is not a quality, so I don't know why you even tell me that to begin with.
But I know every girl freaky.
But it's not a quality.
It's that me I try to show. You see what? You know what? Me say something. You see? You know why? Wait no. You know why the world now run good? Everybody laugh
Why?
at each other opinion. Remember, say my thing that you know.
Me
If
never
you
ask you. Me never
wait no,
ask you what your fantasies in a woman
no,
with
I'm not
what
fat.
you like.
No,
So
me I
me
tell you what me
ask you,
like about my
are what your
female.
desires are. Me ask you, what are the qualities?
That that one quality where she have to have. That is a must. Cause I know every girl says so. You have some girl who say them don't suck the penis, and you have some girl who say them suck the penis. Ever get what me I say?
All right. So you say, as me say, me can understand what you say. Like a woman with vulgar. That is understandable. Because not every, some man just can't bother with that the type of attitude there. But when you're gonna say, I know me can't hear you give me like one solid quality that a woman has to possess, except for ambition. That's
Self
that's
worth.
that's good.
And that tell you,
But if a woman have self worth, there are certain things that she may or may not do.
what in those qualities that she won't do?
Me, this
No,
not
not
apply to
you.
me.
Not you. Listen, you know, you see, that be we know we not listen we are here. What in them qualities there? She not gonna do with her self worth or whatever you say.
It just depends on what she prefers.
But that's why you answer me
In a
one
most of
straight
these qualities.
answer. What in that she not gonna do?
Or to be vulgar in the media, too loud, too soft. What if she's just not, she does not think that being a soft woman is a good quality for her or works for her?
Me never say me want a soft woman.
I mean being rough, because you have women that love to be soft women, but still
Not
them have.
rough.
You
I
understand?
don't want a rough woman. She know how to
Why?
handle herself.
Why you
What?
don't want a rough woman?
Me I try to explain myself, you know. She can have both side, but she not rough like she not have to like the masculine ways. And me if I have that, remember say me are the man, you know, and me are the leader, you know, me are the head of the household, you know. See if you get what me I say. Still not get what me I say. It come like say a gibberish me attack. Yo, me wonder if nobody by the life not understand me. But just
No,
no want
I
bagger.
understand, but we still have to try and you know.
Me not like the bagger female. Me not like
So you don't want
the
a
love.
woman to rough you up then, that.
No, Shaneil, Jesus Christ. Me just want my point go across and you say yes, you know. Me not get no yes from we attack on the blood clot with the call. You know. Me just say I want a woman where know when to go in at that character there. You see me? Yeah. If me and her in our argument, she not gonna get solved out. She know if to defend herself. And you see me?
But that is a rough woman.
Oh, is that rough?
That
You have girl that can
rough
defend
because
themselves in one conversation
a
or
soft
argument.
girl, you say you don't want a soft girl. A soft girl would I did it and just be submissive and just listen to anything when you say
No.
and work with
Shaneil,
it.
listen. Shaneil,
But a
listen. You
rough
can
woman now,
Shaneil,
a woman
enough
who know her
relationship will come out.
worth.
Listen me I tell you, Shaneil. You see,
Alright.
listen. A woman can be submissive but knows how to handle herself in an argument or in an altercation with the next female. And I want a softest girl.
That is a woman we're rough. That is a woman that is rough.
No, I'm not classify that. You know how to change in a character. I'm not classify that as rough.
So you want a yes girl.
No, Jesus, you know what? You win. Me not have nothing to say. Me is a idiot. You see me? You're a real madman. Love it. Because me not say nothing right. Me just not.
I don't know, me understand.
Me not want a yes girl. I me not want a girl
I
to just
understand.
uphold with my foolishness. You see me I say?
Okay.
But me
You
not cheat on
understand
them
it
things.
still.
Me not cheat on them things. So she not have nothing to worry about.
You know what?
I don't cheat.
So that people can see you. We don't know if you attack.
I don't cheat.
You couldn't even open your hair after that.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Anyway, people, this no longer, you know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest and the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.